guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I am sharing with you my fall tablescape for this year. I went with a super farmhouse feel, but I went all neutrals. I know I went super fall colors on my DIY wreath I did a couple of weeks ago, but that was outside. In my house, I like it to be calmer and just, you know, more muted colors. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the process of how I did it, as well as talk about all of the things that I'm using, and I will source everything that I can source in the description, providing you links to go shopping if you want to. But with all that said, let's get on with the fall tablescape. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it inspires you to decorate for fall for yourself. I know I'm a little late on the fall decorating, but it has not felt like fall here. It's just been so stinking hot. I'm dying for it to feel like fall. I'm just ready for the cooler weather. At this point, I don't think we're gonna get it. I don't think it's gonna ever happen. So until then, I'm just gonna wear my sweaters inside with the AC on and change into my summer clothes when I have to go out somewhere. That's normal, right? Also in this video, I tried to do a more artsy style with some more creative shots and some depth of field. I'm just trying to explore new creative ways to make my editing a little bit more interesting. Let me know if you guys like it. I did get a new camera. The other one was just not working for me. So I've replaced it with this one. I'm still learning the ropes on how to use it properly, and yeah, it's gonna be fun though. I really like it. But with all that said, that's all I got for you today. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video, as always. Bye guys!